What's going on, YouTube? Vik-Werks checking in. Definitely loving the acoustics in my Mark IV R32. So today we are pretty much upgrading and adding a new battery to the car. Get that process going. Obviously I have a complete system from Matt Litke, who upgraded my full FIS Mark IV cluster that I had already had, hence the reason you have the Celsius part in that aspect. And I was like, well, let's upgrade so that way I don't have the red death of whatsoever. And obviously you're going to see cells because airbag, well, it's all there. The beauty about it is that when you see most of the guys talking about running their wiring, they can run the USB cable and actually can have it perfectly correctly tucked somewhere nicer, or I can run it through the Climatronic and have it hidden where the original OBD port would be if it was a European Kai. Yeah, just looks like I gotta get that battery going on this bad boy and connect the connectors a lot better. So yeah, it's a nice feature because it's color and just a nice amenity to have. Pretty much like back home on the go, on the fly, if you have a cell light come up. And not to mention Matt, just been phenomenal with me, been patient. I know I purchased this like last year, and then I thought I was supposed to ship my cluster in, and just it was all on my end. And so luckily he was patient to not ship it out and let him do the soldering while I'm out there fighting wildfires and doing all that great stuff. So anyways, guys, yeah, thanks for checking in. Just want to give you pretty much an update of what's going on. If you like what you see, subscribe, leave a comment, hit that like button, whatever you like, whatever tickles your fancy, as I say. Anyways, guys, good talking to you guys. All right, ciao for now.